All right, guys, we're talking now about Caribbean blends. What did I say?
Caribbean.
Okay, in my head I said Clarendon. All right, take two, as we do in TV. On set with me now to raise awareness about Clarendon blends, natural juices, Juliana sauces and condiments. We've got Erica McKenzie, sales and marketing consultant, and Priscilla Muirhead, business development coordinator, also marketing coordinator, right?
Yeah.
Right, the line, or the lines. Thank you both for being here. Chef Stephen Hamilton is also here with us this morning. So you guys launched, let me start with you, Priscilla, in August of this year. Tell me about Clarendon blends. Tell me about the Juliana line.
Okay. Well, Clarendon Blends launched in August at DMB Showground. It's a line of natural juices with some very unique flavors that we decide to bring to the market. We have flavors that no one else has. Yes.
Such as?
Such as we have the sorrel mango. Nobody has ever heard of that. Sorrel and mango. We use our fruits, our Jamaican fruits, to come up with some very different blends. We have the pineapple grapefruit. No one else is doing that, but at Clarendon Blends, we are doing that. We also have guava pineapple, which is very thick. You're tasting the real fruit. And we have mango pineapple.
Okay.
Yes.
So you launched in August at Denby.
Yes.
What was the feedback like with the juices?
It was very, very good because Denby was our first stepping stone out into the market because we're primarily an export company.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So, but the Juliana brand, Miss Erica McKenzie will speak more on it. It's our brand that has been around for over 35 years.
Okay, and you're based in, and that's based in Bay Pen. Tell me about that brand, Erica.
All right, so the Juliana's line of sauces and condiments have been around for over 35 years. And of course, penetrating the international landscape. So we are all over the world in over 50 countries in different stores and outlets where people have access to the authentic Jamaican products. So we have a hot line, which is like your hot pepper sauces, and we also have a sweet line, which is some very unique flavors. We have things like a sweet pineapple, a manguave, a passion sauce.
Manguave.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So it's very which is this one here.
Yes.
So it's very different. We have so what we did is in coming up with these sauces were not just something that we thought about.
Market research.
Right.
Yes.
So Dr. Juliet Newell, who is the founder one of the founder for these recipes, she's done extensive research into blending herbs and spices and coming up with these very unique blends. So that went into it. Over 35 years of research and uncovering is what went into these blends and into these sauces.
And the umbrella banner company is called
Taiju, which is the manufacturing company. Some people, when you say Taiju, so yes, Taiju. Absolutely.
And then on the Taiju we have the Clarendon blends and the Juliana sauces and condiments, which apparently you say is very versatile. Chef is here to show us how that works. Chef, what are you making this morning?
Okay, good morning, Jamaica. So today we're going to do a Juliana sorrel, honey, ginger, chicken roulade.
Okay.
It's basically chicken breast. It's been stuffed. It is Christmas time now, right?
Yes.
So we have some cherries, we have some pineapple, we have some raisins, and been stuffed, rolled, and
In the
then
chicken?
pre-prepped in the chicken,
Oh, yes.
right?
Yes.
And of course, we're using Juliana, honey, ginger, right?
Okay.
I will top it off some sorrel. So first thing here, add the skillet here to the pot, right? The skillet here. And then after which, we have the pre-prepped sorrel sauce, right? So adding the sorrel sauce here to the skillet. Hear that sizzling? And of course, the number one brand, the honey ginger here, right? Adding the honey ginger to the skillet as well.
Honey ginger sound like you can do other things too.
So basically, we realize that everything inside already, right? And of course, you have in the chicken breast here.
Yeah.
I will add it to the skillet. So we use the tongue basically, and pour all this here on the chicken basically. So the sauce basically have everything in it, literally. So while this is prepping here, we prepare our vegetables, right? And with our vegetable here today, we're using Juliana's sweet pineapple, right?
Right.
So here consists of natural vegetables, and today we're using natural orange,
Okay.
right? So add natural orange to the pot,
You're going to make a little reduction over there.
right?
Gotcha.
Then we add the sweet pineapple pepper sauce here.
Something smells good.
And of course, you have to see some pineapple chunks into it as well.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Thick and
So we
rich.
add that here. We have some
broccoli.
and also some cauliflower and also parsley. As well as we have some eggplants and also tomato.
Okay. So you put that in and everything kind of simmers down.
And basically. And it's not finished as yet.
Yeah.
What about the starch? So this starch here is basically jerk, breadfruit, sweet potato mash. And of course, you use Juliana jerk barbecue dip available here, right?
Yeah,
It's basically barbecue sauce, everything in one. Everything basically in one bottle for all your functions, all your Christmas events and stuff. Juliana is here
that
for you,
one stop?
right?
Yes.
So basically, add this here, and then we literally saute the vegetables here. And all the flavors literally coming from the julienne and pineapple salsa here. And with the eggplant and the tomato and the broccoli and the sweet pepper as well.
I'm intrigued by the range of the sauces. Pineapple pepper.
Yes.
I mean, you really...
Passion.
There's
also
really
a sweet
a lot
passion.
of...
Yeah, there's hot pepper sauces in there as well.
Look,
There's
this
jerk.
almighty-
A lot.
Oh, yes.
Hell hot. You know, say this is not like liquor bit hot.
No.
This is like...
Hot as hell.
Steam coming out of your hair is hot. I'm curious about the strategy to launch in Jamaica now.
Yes.
The export market clearly has been going well for
Yes.
you. Why now for Jamaica?
Well, we realized that, we need to come back home to roots. Yes, we are exposing the international market, but why have all this goodness and not share it at home?
Yes.
And so we decided that we're going to actually take it back to Jamaica to have people, because sometimes they say the dancer you had for your dance abroad.
Of course.
And so we decided to take it back home to Jamaica to bring back, so people get to experience it. It's the right thing to do because to have people
And the
exposed
launch
to it.
has shown that there is a desire for the product.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So where are you stocked now? Where
So we are currently, for the juice line, we are at all the major retail outlets in terms of even your service station, so you can just get it on the go, grab and go.
So
There's also
Clarendon
Shoppers
blends,
Delight.
every service station, every supermarket.
Yes, so we're not in every supermarket
Not
as yet,
yet.
but we are
Okay.
working on that.
Okay.
People, but one of the things though is that they can definitely reach out to us and we'll make sure that you have these sauces.
Right, yes. Okay.
All right? So have no fear. If you don't see it on a shelf, please reach out and we'll get it to you.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's
what's
what
about the
I can tell
Juliana
you.
line? We have to go. Where
Yes.
do we get that? Same place?
Absolutely. Just reach out to us and we'll make sure that we get those
Where
to
do
you.
they reach out to you,
Okay.
Priscilla? Where can they reach you?
Well, on IG, you can contact us at Clarendon_blends. On Facebook, it's Clarendon Blends. Or you can call our office line,
Go ahead.
Kaiju Company Limited, at 347-1523. And we're on Instagram with the Juliana products also.
Okay, so
yes.
it's Juliana or Clarendon Blends. You can find you
Yes.
guys in either of those spaces. Chef is plating to show us what the finished product looks like. It looks delicious. Smells even better. Thank you all for being here this morning, and good luck with the lines. Good to
thank
see you were producing in Jamaica.
Yes, absolutely.
For Jamaicans and for export.
Yes.
So thank you, ladies, for being here. Clarendon Blends, Sales and Marketing Consultant Erica McKenzie, Priscilla Muirhead, Market and Business Development Coordinator, and our chef, Stephen Hamilton, Consultant with Juliana Sauces and Condiments. All the best with the business, ladies.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, thank you. Smile continues after this break.